Ever dreamed of owning a piece of the Australian property market? But maybe you don't have the cash to buy a whole house or the time to become a landlord. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Look, owning property can be a fantastic way to build wealth. It offers potential for capital growth and rental income, and it can act as a hedge against inflation. But let's be real, it can also be a headache. You've got to deal with things like finding tenants, managing repairs, and navigating the ever-changing property market. It's a lot to take on. That's where the Raiz Property Fund comes in. Now, before we dive in, let me be upfront. This isn't about buying individual properties. This is about investing in a diversified portfolio of Australian real estate. Think of it like this. Instead of buying one house, you're buying a tiny piece of hundreds, maybe even thousands, of properties across the country. This diversification helps spread your risk. If one property in a particular area experiences a downturn, it's less likely to significantly impact your overall investment. The Raiz Property Fund typically invests in a mix of property types, including residential, commercial, and industrial. This further diversifies your exposure and can help you capitalize on different sectors of the market. So, how does it work? Essentially, you invest your money into the fund. The fund managers then use that money to acquire and manage a portfolio of properties. As the value of those properties increases, or as rental income is generated, your investment grows. Potential benefits. Capital growth. Property values in Australia have historically shown long-term growth. Rental income. The fund may generate rental income from the properties it owns, which can be distributed to investors. Diversification. As mentioned earlier, investing in a fund provides diversification benefits, reducing your overall risk. Accessibility. Investing in the Raiz Property Fund offers a relatively accessible way to participate in the Australian property market, even with smaller investment amounts. Important considerations. Market risk. Like any investment, the value of your investment in the Raiz Property Fund can go down as well as up. Liquidity risk. Your investment may not be readily convertible to cash. Management fees. There will be fees associated with investing in the fund. Important disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investing in the Raiz Property Fund involves risks, and you should carefully consider your investment objectives and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. It's always recommended to consult with a qualified financial advisor to discuss your individual circumstances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.